Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Monday's Daily Financial Review. Here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The last session saw the dollar drop 0.3% against the yen. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The Bitcoin-dollar pair dropped 1.2% in the last session, after rising as much as 2% during the session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. The gold dipped a slight 0.1% against the dollar in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal. The oil gained 0.9% against the dollar in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analysts for today.
Nigeria's oil production crashed by about 14.94 million barrels in the second quarter of this year. By losing this much oil, Nigeria's oil earnings plunged by about $1.7 billion. Foreign Secretary Liz Truss has signalled that she would tighten ministerial scrutiny of the Bank of England if she were to win the race to become the next UK Prime Minister, after accusing it of failing to get to grips with spiralling inflation. The US dollar has been on a surge against major global currencies in the past year, recently hitting levels not seen in 20 years. It has gained 15% against the British pound, 16% against the euro, and 23% against the Japanese yen.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US NAHB Housing Market Index will be released at 1400 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The US 6-month bill auction at 1530 GMT. The US total net TIC flows will be released at 2000 hours GMT. Italy's trade balance EU at 0800 hours GMT. The UK's Rightmove House Price Index at 2300 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Monday's financial review. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.